Nobody likes spending the money for broken appliances, but I've yet to meet one homeowner who is doing all the routine maintenance required to prevent these repairs and breakdowns. Most homeowners don't have the time or expertise to properly take care of their home, which causes costly issues to arise. That's where Kura Home Maintenance comes in. We're a full-service, routine maintenance company that was developed by a certified home inspector. Each quarter, we service our clients' homes following manufacturer's recommendations to properly maintain all the necessary appliances. We provide the materials and expertise to prolong the life of your property, creating a healthy and efficient environment for your family. From top to bottom, we'll maintain and service your home. To get started, we have a property inspection to determine what needs to be maintained, and a maintenance plan is created based on your preferences. From refrigerator coils to filters, vents, and drains, we do it all, and we do it well. We can maintain your home for about the cost of a coffee a day, saving you time and headache. Your home is the most expensive investment you'll ever make, and probably the only investment that doesn't come with any sort of a manual. Don't do it on your own. Trust the professionals to protect and prolong the life of your home. Contact us today for your free routine maintenance inspection, and never worry about your maintenance again.